So today we are discussing Fishing, which is written by the writer Goparanjan Mishra. Goparanjan Mishra is still alive, ସେ ଏବେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ବଞ୍ଚିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ବୁଝିଲା କି ନା and I also met him. ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଭେଟିଥିଲି ମାନେ actually we were in a program there in Brahmpur University and he taught us and he also recited this poem which is written by himself ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାଇଁ जो ए पोएमटी से निजे लिखिछंती आउ सेटा से निजे रिसाइट करथिले एक्चुअली बिफोर ऑल ऑफ अस एंड वी वर बीइंग टॉट दिस पोएम एंड ऑल द थिंग्स व्हिच वाज रिटन बाय द राइटर गोपरंजन मिश्र ही टॉट अस ए लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स बुझे लगे ने से बहुत जिनस हमको पढैछंती ए विषय रे so it is a wonderful poem which is written by Goparanjan Mishra who was born in the year 1954. So before going to start the topic or before going to come to the text, we should know something about the writer as we discussed earlier. A well-known teacher of English in Odisha, se jo chandi jone English lecturer, English professor, bujhala, he is very experienced person. Bujhala ki nahi? Has a fascination for writing poems in English. Bujhala. He has recited most of his poems to learned audience in different parts of the country and has been widely acclaimed. That means he is praised by all the readers for his poems and other writings. बुझिगला so he has been retired वर्तमान से रिटायर्ड कर सारिचंती बुझिगला but before that he was working as the principal of JK BK college कटक पूर्व से कटक रो गोटे कॉलेज रे से प्रिंसिपल भाव रे थिले बुझिगला So poetry is first of all for enjoyment. The musical qualities as well as the rhythm of a poem are its foremost attractions. Many poems also tell us a fascinating story. Fishing is such a poem with both the qualities, music and charm. In this poem, the poet seems to convey the idea the act of kindness is a rich source of joy. So we know that when we harm someone, we get happiness and we also feel happy. माने when हमें कोई परिवार that something is going before you, something is happening before you, and if you show your kind and if you show your kindness towards that thing, if somebody is in trouble and sometimes we face difficulties, we know that if we help someone गोटे जिनस अच्छी इफ देख देर इज काइंडनेस इन आवर हार्ट आम हृदय दया बोलिक गोटे जिनस अच्छी बट समटाइम्स वी कैन नॉट शो आवर काइंडनेस टुवर्ड समथिंग बुझीगला बट इफ वी शो आवर काइंडनेस फॉर समथिंग इफ ही और सी इज इन ट्रबल जदि जड़े ट्रबल अच्छी जदि आम जन को दया देखिक एंड इफ यू हेल्प समवन देर इज ग्रेटर हैप्पीनेस बुझीगला कि नहीं से अधिका खुशी अच्छी if somebody is in trouble and you are able to feel that yes that person is in difficulties and he is in trouble or she is in trouble and if you feel that you can help someone or you can help that fellow then there will be greater happiness बुझेला कि नहीं सेठी अधिका खुशी रहिथिबो and we also get excited when we harm someone आमे जणो को जेतोले क्षति पहुंचौछु सेतोले भी आमे खुशी पाउछु but when if you compare with that kindness then there will be greater happiness where if you show your kindness or if you help someone and if you just become a survivor बुझिगला तुम जदि गोटे सर्वाइवर हे पारुछो जनकर जीवन बंचे पारुछो बुझिगला कि नहीं as we discussed in the Inkscape Rock which was written by the writer बुझिगला कि नहीं so he said something about the boy that whale that Inkscape whale बुझिगला कि नहीं we can take the example of that Inkscape whale and it was saving the life of millions बहुत लोगों को जीवन सहायक करथला so similarly there is something that means here the writer has felt something किछि जिंस से अनुभव करचंती that we are going to discuss today in this text बुझियला so before going to the topic we should know that the heading fishing means कोन the meaning of fishing the skill of catching fishes बुझियला बा आमे कोइ परिबा फिशिंग माछो धरिबा माछो को धरिबार कौशल बा माछो को नेगिर गोटे स्टोरी अछि बुझियला so throughout the topic if we completely study the poem we will come to know that many more things are there in the end we can feel the happiness in the mind of the person. गोटे लोकर मन में आम खुशी देखिपर कि भाव में खुशी से जिनस we are going to start from the beginning. Like a seasoned angler sure of his feet with fishing rod and line and bait, I said you all wait for me, fish fry tonight, our dinner will be. So before going to the topic, I should speak something about the setting of the poem. बुझिएला the writer was there, writer अछंती सेठी बुझिएला at his home बुझिएला. So something is happening that number of friends of the writer had come to the house of the writer बुझिएला. Yes, and they were uninvited. It was unexpected. The writer had never felt that someone was about to come to the house, but some of his friends came together to the house of the writer बुझिएला. हाँ, so that was the setting. सेटा थिला setting माने जो बैकग्राउंड टा कहली जे किछि अनइनवाइटेड गेस्ट बा अनएक्सपेक्टेड गेस्ट आसिक पहुंच जाइछन्ती का घरे in the house of the writer, in the house of the writer बुझिएला. So seasoned angler, the meaning of seasoned angler लिखि परिबो आर वर्ड टा लेखो seasoned angler. The meaning of seasoned angler, experienced person, who is experienced in particular work बुझिएला. जने गोटे काम जे अधिक एक्सपीरियंस होता है ताको कह जाए सीजनड एंगलर बुझिएला. एंड हु वाज द आमे कोन कहू सीजनड एंगलर कहले एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन हु इज एबल टू कैच फिशेस, जने जे माछ धरिबारे पारंगम थाए बुझिएला. विथ द हेल्प ऑफ हिज इक्विपमेंट्स, दैट इज द फुल मीनिंग ऑफ सीजनड एंगलर, दैट हु इज एबल टू कैच फिशेस विथ ऑल हिज इक्विपमेंट्स बुझिएला. And the perfect meaning of this word is also written in the next page, you can find it out. And also we can say three more words. Feat बोल कहले achievement बा कृतित्व, FEAT. Here the meaning of feat will be achievements बा कृतित्व. हैला. हाँ, rod, ROD, rod.
fishing rod.
हाँ, फिशिंग रड. रड होची कोन? रड होची गोटे बाडी टाइप रो जिंस जोटा गोटे माने दैट काइंड ऑफ इक्विपमेंट व्हिच वी टेक द हेल्प ऑफ कैचिंग फिशेस. माछ धरिबार जो थाए जो बाडी भलिया जिंस जोटा द पीपल डू दैट बुझिएला कि ने विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दैट रड, दैट इज नोन एज रड बुझिएला. एंड बेट, बेट होची कोन? BAIT. बेट रो अर्थ होची कोन? सम फूड्स आर फिक्स्ड in the bottom part of the rod बुझिएला. किछि खाद्य जॉइंट करा जाय थाए टू गिव इट टू द फिश बुझिएला, माछ को दिया जीवा पई, बाय व्हिच इट विल बी वेरी इजियर टू कैच फिशेस. माछ जाको धरिबा पई सहज होई थाए कि नै. यस. हां, सो some uninvited guests were there in the house of the writer. It was unexpected. The writer had never felt like that, but number of friends came together to the house of the writer बुझिएला. हाँ, the writer didn't know about it, but the people came together to the house of the writer. Hala. So that was the setting I told you. Look, like a seasoned angler, sure of his feet, with fishing rod and line and bait, I said, you all wait for me, fish fry tonight, our dinner will be. So the conversation was started when the people came together to the house of the writer. The conversation was started. Conversation between the writer and his friends. तांको सांगो आउ writer को भीतर कथावार्ता हला. And what did the person or the writer say to the friends? Friends मान को कौन कहले? I said, the third sentence, first stanza, you can you all wait for me, fish fry tonight, our dinner will be. And he said his friends that you all wait for me and fish fry tonight, our dinner will be. आज आम रातिर खाद्य. And what will be the special item today? Fish fry. माछ फ्राई हम आज टुनाइट आइटम. सो बिफोर दैट लेट मी कम बैक, मत आसवा को दियो. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू कैच सम फिशेस फॉर यू ऑल. एंड आई विल हैव टू गो टू द नियर बाय रिवर. आई विल हैव टू गो टू नियर बाय रिवर which was situated some distance away from the writer's house. राइटर घर पाखरु किछि दूर रे गोटे पोखरी थिला. से पोखरु माछ धरिक आसबे बोलिक से माने he just said it to his friends very confidently बुझिएला. अति माने कॉन्फिडेंटली से कहि दिथले दैट he was experienced in that particular work, and that is why he said to his friends, just wait for me and I will come with catching some fishes. ବୁଝିହେଲା ମୁଁ କିଛି ମାଛ ଧରିକି ଆସିବି and it is your duty that you will have to wait patiently in your or in my house. ମୋର ଘରେ ଆସି ତମ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କର, ମୁଁ ଆସିକି ତମକୁ ଯୋଗ ଦଉଛି by after catching fishes. ବୁଝିହେଲା?
हाँ sir.
Though we are moving to the next stanza, though none of them did say a word on my face, yet I heard. बुझिएला? So
हाँ sir.
what did you understand? Can you tell me briefly? Though none of them did say a word on my face, yet I heard. माने कौन बुझी पारछो ए दिटा सेंटेंस रो?
No, they,
Just you remember the previous sentences we discussed. I said you all wait for me, fish fry tonight our dinner will be. That means he said to his friends that fish fry tonight our dinner will be. The special item will be cooked by me. That is what the writer said to his friends, and also told them, just wait for me and I am going to catch some fishes from a river which was some distance away from his house. ବୁଝିହେଲା? ତାଙ୍କ ଘର ଠାରୁ କିଛି ଦୂରରେ ଥିବ. But though none of them did say a word on my face, yet I heard. But nobody said anything to the writer in response. Nobody, no friends or no one said anything to the writer. बुझिएला?
हाँ sir.
When he said that I would like to catch some fishes, just wait for me and I would like to come back again. ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଆସିବି and fish fry tonight our dinner will be. ମାନେ he spoke he was very confident in his work, and he was very confident that he would come with catching some he would come to the house after catching with catching some fishes. ବୁଝିହେଲା? ମାଛ ଧରିକି ସେ ପୁନର୍ବାର ପ୍ରତ୍ୟାବର୍ତ୍ତନ କରିବେ ବୋଲିକରି ସେ କହିଥିଲେ. But nobody believed, nobody trusted in the words of the writer. ବୁଝିହେଲା? And that is why the friends of the writer didn't say a word to the writer. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କର ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ କିଛି ବି କହିଲେ ନାହିଁ. And the writer was also not able to listen or hear a word from his friends, those who were gathered in the house of the writer. ବୁଝିହେଲା? ଯେଉଁମାନେ ରାଇଟରଙ୍କର ଘରେ ଥିଲେ, ରାଇଟରଙ୍କୁ they didn't give any kind of response to the writer when he said to his friends that I would like to catch some fishes and let me come back, and it is your duty that you will have to wait with patience. You will have to wait with patience. तुमको अपेक्षा धैर्य से तो अपेक्षा करो, and I am coming after catching some fishes. ମୁଁ ମାଛ ଧରିବା ପରେ ମୁଁ ଆସୁଛି and you just wait for me. That is what he said to his friends, but nobody said anything in response of his statement. ବୁଝିହେଲା? ତାଙ୍କର କଥା ଇଏ ପରେ କେହି କିଛି କଥା କହିଲେ ନାହିଁ. So what did the writer hear from his friends when he said wait for me, fish fry tonight our dinner will be?
No.
हाँ no, कौन ହେଇଛି? Some chuckles you're at my back. से कौन ଶୁଣିଲେ? chuckles. We can write the meaning of chuckles. CHUCKLES. chuckles ବୋଲେ ସ୍ମାଇଲ୍, ସ୍ମିତ ହସ ଦେବା, କମେଡ଼ି କରିକିରି ହସିବା, ଜଣକୁ ମାନେ ୱିକ୍ ବୋଲି ଭାବିକିରି ହସିବା, ଦୁର୍ବଳିଆ ବୋଲି ଭାବିକିରି ହସିବା. Sometimes some of our friends smile at us. ଆମ ଉପରେ ହସନ୍ତି ଦେଖିକିନା. You cannot do that, you cannot do this. ବୁଝିଲା କି ନା? So similarly they didn't believe or they didn't trust in the words of the writer when he spoke to his friends that let me come back and fish fry tonight our dinner will be. I will come with catching some fishes. ମାଛ କିଛି ଧରିକିରି ମୁଁ ଆସିବି ବୋଲିକି ଯେଉଁ କଥା କହିଲେ, ସମସ୍ତେ ଏହାକୁ ହେୟ ଜ୍ଞାନ କଲେ, and they all smiled at the writer. ବୁଝିଲା? ହଁ, the writer was thinking some chuckles you're at my back. ସମସ୍ତେ ରାଇଟର କ'ଣ ଫିଲ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି? some chuckles you're at my, ମୋର ପଛରେ they might be laughing at me. ସେମାନେ ମୋ ଉପରେ ହସୁଥିବେ. ବୁଝିଲା? But the writer was very confident. He believed in his work, and he knew that what he could do. He knew that what he could do. So he didn't care about his friends, and he said himself, let me come back. ମୋତେ ଆସିବାକୁ ଦିଅ, then I will tell you what I can do for you. ବୁଝିଲା? So that was the story of those two stanzas. ବୁଝିଲା? At first we came to know that the writer was very confident person, he was very strong person, and he knew that how to catch fishes. And that is why we said here he was very experienced person, and he was very experienced in catching fishes. ହେଲା? ବର୍ଷା ହେଲାଣି ପରେ ପଡ଼ିବା ହେଲା?
ହଉ ସାର୍
ହଉ ରଖ ରଖ ଶୁଭା ଯାଉନି କିଛି।
ହଉ ସାର୍
ହୁଁ।
ହଉ ସାର୍